This video will probably explain all details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room facilities also. As the closely understood hotel location in the nearby attractions and landmarks also. You can find lots of reviews and many numbers online that are described. Its review rating is 7.8, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen things like insights, amenities, facilities, and packages, etc. Categories the hotel accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is far